So you're uploading a video to YouTube, but you're not sure if tags still matter. Many beginners either ignore tags completely or stuff them in incorrectly. In this video, I'll show you how to properly use video tags, where to add them, and when they actually help in under 3 minutes. SEO is search engine optimization, and while tags are not the main tool for SEO, they can still help. So you've uploaded a video titled How to Record Your Screen for Free. Next thing you want to do is go down and click on Show More. Go down a little bit further and you'll find the Tags section. In the Tag section, you don't want to just stuff random words. You want to use title variations, common misspellings, or topic variations. So the title is How to Record Your Screen for Free. Well, the viewer might type in free screen recording. For common misspellings, this video is about OBS Studio screen recording software, but the viewer could very well type in OSB Studio. For topic variations, while the video you've uploaded references screen recording, the software is also capable of screen streaming, so the viewer may search for screen streaming. So the overall best use for tags is for clarification, alternate search phrases, and misspellings. You want to avoid any trending tags, any massive tag stuffing, or misleading phrases. You want to be sure your title, your thumbnail, and your description is tight, and then let tags support your video, not carry it. If you want more videos like this that answer the questions you have without wasting your time, just come back to see us. If you've got questions or topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments.